2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. Beautiful truck. Got high flow cats there and there. Let's give it a really distinctive sound. Then it's true dualed into an X pipe right there. Then continues 2.5 all the way back into mandrel belt 2.5 tailpipes and 6-inch tips right there and right there. There she is. True dual all the way back. Chevy 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8 part 2. So we drove it way too loud, and we've decided to keep the high flow cats, the 2.5 true duals, the X pipe, 2.5 intermediate pipe. Then we had some COBB mufflers, COBB, COBBs, right there. I don't know if you guys can see them. That we took off a Subaru a long time ago, and we said, you know what? Why not? We put them on, and we'll let you guys hear it. We left everything else the same, 2.5. See how you guys like it. With 6-inch tips. It was like, the sound decibels before was like 115. Let's see how much it tamed it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. This is what it sounds like. All right, go ahead. That's where this, again. Yeah, maximum 102 now, compared to 117, 118. Not bad, a lot quieter, deeper. So that's what COBB sound on the Silverado. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's what it sounds like on the inside when you're driving down the road. Not too bad.